sa ASRE Batso Student Unit. So you did a great job. And also, it's my honor na nakasama ko kanina si Engineer Dimasupil to be part of this activity. So now, let me share to you my screen. Okay. For a while. Okay. For a while lang ha, guys. What's happening? Yan. Yan. Can you see my screen now? Kita na ba yung screen ko? Ayan. Guys, can you see my screen?
Kita na po.
Naka-full screen na ba siya?
Hindi
Hello?
pa po.
Naka-presenter, Engineer Clifford.
Okay. So, I just hide presenter's view. Ayan. Siguro I just hide the presenter's view. Okay na guys? Nakikita nyo?
Okay na po, Engineer.
Okay. Again, good afternoon everyone. So, again, I'm excited to share to you my insight regarding, and sabi natin dito, the title of my presentation is all about making the world a better place. Green HVAC, performance maintenance, energy optimization for a sustainable future. So again, as introduced a while ago, thank you sa nag-introduce sa akin. I'm in your speaker for the second speaker for this afternoon. I'm Engineer Clifford Gesalao. Given my professional practice, I at least more on 16 years sa air conditioning industry na po ako, and also a part-time professor at TUP Manila, College of Engineering, and also College of Liberal Arts. No? Again, my expertise is the HVAC and energy optimization. And to start with, ayan. So, every time nag-start ako ng presentation, I always start with this. No? Begin with the end in mind. So, ano po bang ibig sabihin nito? Magbigay lang ako ng example. No? For example, you are writing a book, okay? Or maybe you are reading a book, or you are reading Wattpad, no? Or a story. So, ang iisipin mo doon is you will think about the message you want the readers or ikaw mismo na nagbabasa. Ano ba yung gusto mo maging takeaway? For example, in this presentation, at the end of our session for this afternoon, ano ba yung magiging takeaway mo? So, ito yung isang magandang example ng begin with the end in mind. For example, you are studying now, no? At Batso Mechanical Engineering. So, after graduation, after passing the board exam, ano ka na? Okay? So, what's next for me? Another one is if you are planning a career, of course, dapat tingnan mo 5 to 10 years from now. And then, another one naman is even if a day, no, you can ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish at the end of the day? So, ito ay part po ng the 7 habits